In this video, I'll show you one Airtel promo code to use in Pakistan. If you find this video useful, subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you're in Pakistan and looking for one Airtel promo code to use, this is exactly what to do. Come to this page here and click on registration. Once you choose registration, there are four options. You're going to go to the third option that says by email. That is the only option that is going to allow you to receive a bonus to your OneXBet account. So you're going to choose the third option that says by email. Once you're here, fill in your surname and your name, and in your country, you're going to search Pakistan. I search Pakistan, your currency is also going to change to that of the Pakistan. Sorry, come out to country and you search Pakistan. The currency is also going to change to that of Pakistan. Put in your date of birth, your email address, and your password. To create a password, you're going to use these four requirements. After creating your password in the box here, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300 as bonus. Once you're done, hit on these three boxes and register your account. Once you're done registering your account, complete your first deposit immediately to receive your bonus.